and welcome to Chao. Today I'm going to share with you how to make fruit tea, and this time we are going to use green tea as our base. So we are going to make green apple and kiwi fruit tea. So the formula will be for 16-ounce cup. This mason jar is equivalent to 16-ounce cup. So remember, it has to taste good and at the same time it has to look good. So let's see how we are going to achieve both of them. The formula is based on green apples, so we should put a little bit more green apple. This is a pump which is 10 ml, so I'm going to use 15 ml, so that's 1.5 pump of green apple, and I'm going to use only 10 ml of the kiwi. So 1 pump is 10 ml. So there you have your kiwi and green apple syrup. Now, if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, we'll add our golden sugar syrup and only just about 0.5 ounce. That's it, let's give it a stir. I'm going to just decorate my cup with some kiwi. And then I'm going to pour our green tea on top. And then I'm going to decorate my cup with a nice slice of green apple and a spoon. There you have it. This is how you make your green apple kiwi green tea. I'm going to call it evergreen for short. Wow, so refreshing. Perfect for any time of the day. I hope that you learned something new today, and don't forget, it's not only enough to make sure your drinks taste good, it's also important that you make your drinks look appetizing. So if you would like me to cover anything in my future video, do let me know. In the meantime, I hope that you try this recipe at home. You can always mix and match. And before you ask me what syrup to use, please, you can use any syrups that's available in the market. I'm just using this one because these are the ones available here for me, and they taste good. So try this recipe at home or in your milk tea or coffee shop and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.